Hi friends, welcome to Mr. Professor YouTube channel. Here we are going to see the video about SAP procurement to pay. Sometimes we can use order to cash, which means every organization that operates a business has to purchase material such as raw material, service and everything. So please stay tuned, we'll see how it will be applied by one in detailed manner. Here we can see the process of procure to pay. Every organization acquires material or services to complete its business needs. The process of buying materials and obtaining services from vendors or dealers is called procurement. The steps required to procure material is purchase requisition, request for quotation, maintain quotation, comparing price quotation, purchase order creation, goods receipt, invoice verification. Next, we are going to see purchase requisition. A purchase requisition is a request that is made to the purchasing organization to procure a certain list of materials. It is an internal document and remains within the organization. Purchase requisition needs approval from the purchasing organization. Here the path to create purchase requisition. Go to Logistics, select Materials Management, then select Purchasing, there select Purchasing Requisition, finally click Create, or we can use T-code as ME51N. Then, fill in all the required details such as name of the material, quantity, delivery date, material group, and plant. Click on Save. A new purchase requisition will be created. Next, we are going to see Request for Quotation. Request for Quotation is a form of invitation that is sent to the vendors to submit a quotation indicating their pricing and terms and conditions. It contains details about goods or services, quantity, date of delivery, and date of bid on which it is to be submitted. Quotation is a reply by a vendor in response to a request for quotation. Path to create RFQ. Go to Logistics, select Materials Management, select Purchasing, then select RFQ/quotation, there select Request for Quotation, finally select Create, or we can use T-code as ME41. Then, fill in all the required details such as type of request for quotation, language, date of RFQ, purchasing organization, and group. Then provide the name of the material, quantity of material, material group, and quotation deadline date. Then click Item Overview, fill the necessary data, then save. Next, we are going to see Maintain the Quotation. There you can use the activities of this role to record and maintain the data submitted to you by vendor in a quotation, examples prices, conditions, and terms of delivery, in your SAP system. Here, in this, we can maintain activities and materials management. Path to maintain the quotation is shown. Go to Logistics, select Materials Management, select Purchasing, then select RFQ/quotation, there select Request for Quotation, finally select Maintain, or we can use T-code as ME47. Then type RFQ number, then press Enter. Next click the condition record, there update details of quantity and date, update the vendor details. Finally save the quotation. Kindly take a look, I have shown the step-by-step procedure. Next, we are going to see, comparing price for different quotation. After your quotations are entered, you can compare them to select the best available offer at this moment. We can select which quotations will be compared by using the collective number we addressed before to be an important field that is maintained on RFQ. For that we can use T-code ME49. After comparing the prices and conditions, you can decide which offers to accept and which ones to reject. Here we can find which one if more cost-effective vendor to buy, with considering discounts, freight cost and other conditions. Next, we are going to see, purchase order creation. Purchase order is the formal and final confirmation of the requirements that is sent to the vendor to supply material or services. A purchase order includes important information such as, name of the material with its corresponding plant, details of purchasing organization, with its company. Here shown the path to create purchase order. Go to, Logistics, select, Materials Management, then select, Purchasing, there select, Purchase Order, finally select, Create. Or we can use T-code ME21N. Fill in all the necessary details under Item, by selecting the tabs as shown in the following screenshot, then click on Save. Next, we are going to see, creation of goods receipt. After processing the purchase order, the vendor delivers the material to the ordering party and this process is called goods receipt. It is the phase where the material is received by the ordering party and its condition and quality are verified. Once the material is verified, against the predefined quality, a goods receipt is posted. Here the path was. Go to, Logistics, select, Materials Management, then select, Inventory Management, there select, Goods Movement, finally select, Goods Movement MIGO. Or we can use T-code MIGO. Fill in all details such as movement type 101 for goods receipt, name of the material, quantity received, details of storage location and the plant where the material will be placed. Click on Save. Next, we are going to see, Invoice Verification. Invoice is received from the vendor after goods receipt, and then the invoice is verified by the ordering party. This is the phase where the vendor is paid from the company, and reconciliation of the invoice and PO is accomplished. Here the path shown to posting invoice. Go to, Logistics, select, Materials Management, then select, Logistic Invoice Verification, there select, Document Entry, finally select, Enter an invoice. Or we can use T-code MIRO. Then fill in all the necessary details such as invoice posting date, amount that is paid to the vendor along with the quantity for which the amount is paid. Click on Save. Invoice is now posted for the goods receipt. Hi friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope to helps to understand the procure to pay process detailed manner, so kindly do like and subscribe the channel for further updates. Also share the video to others. If you like to know more about SAP MM functions, mention that in comments section. So we will meet with another video. Have a nice day.